Hi everyone, so we're talking about the Iluma collection today from Image Skincare. So this range is perfect for anyone that suffers with pigmentation, dark spots. If you're feeling like your skin is just dull, lifeless, maybe you've at Christmas or been on holiday and you've maybe not been as healthy as you normally are and it's starting to take a toll on your skin, then this range is perfect for you, just to bring the life back, get the more even skin tone and really give radiance to the skin. So in this range there's not that many products, but in this range, if you are treating pigmentation, it's probably a good idea to try and use as much of this range as possible. If it is more for sort of brightening or radiance, then you can pick and choose sort of certain products to help to give that radiance to the skin. So in this range there's sort of ingredients in there that Image have almost like formulated to help to break down that pigmentation. It actually helps to find the funny cell that's causing that excess pigmentation and helping to reduce the melanin in the skin. So by doing that, it helps to inhibit the production of that melanin from that skin cell. So it's preventing any new pigmentation from forming, but also it helps to lighten and brighten and give a much more even skin tone to the existing pigmentations that's there. I did actually have a lot of pigmentation on my skin. I went traveling and probably wasn't so good at putting SPF on my skin, which I'm very embarrassed to say, but I ended up having a brown patch all across my forehead and on the tops of my cheekbones. I've actually had a lot of Image chemical peels to help to reduce that pigmentation, and between my my treatments at the Medi Spa, I've actually been using the Iluma range. Probably took me about a year to get rid of it, but now when I have my makeup off, you would never have known that I had pigmentation. So with pigmentation, it can be treated. It is very difficult to treat. It depends on how long you've actually had that pigmentation for. With me, I probably only had it sort of for about a year before I started treating it, so that's probably why I managed to get rid of it so quickly. But if you've had it for a number of years, we can improve it and we can make it look much better and maybe even get rid of it completely for you. But you have to understand that because it's been there for so long, it can take a much longer time to get rid of. But if you stick with it and combine it with treatments, you will get a fantastic result that you're pleased with. So in this range, we've got the cleanser, so the brightening cleanser. You can use this morning and night on damp skin, sort of 5p amount all over the face and neck, and just wash off. So this is a really nice gentle cleanser just to add a bit of radiance to the skin. This one is probably one of my favourite products, which is the Iluma exfoliating powder. So it comes in a little pot like this. With this pot, it's got like coconut flakes in it, so it's very gentle on the skin. With this, you would mix it in with your cleanser to use as an exfoliator. So you could use it with your Iluma cleanser, or what I like to use it with is actually the Ageless cleanser. The Ageless cleanser's got glycolic acid in there, really exfoliating. So you've got the enzymes of the acid working out, nibbling away that dead skin, and then you've actually got then the coconut flakes that's actually then mechanically removing the dead skin off the surface. With the exfoliating, you could use this 2 to 3 times a week. You can use it all over the body if you wish to, but obviously it's only a small pot, so maybe just use it on localized areas that you're feeling like there's a bit of dead skin or a bit uneven skin texture there. Then we've got the Intense Iluma serum. So this one you would use morning and night onto cleansed skin, just one pump. You can take it down onto the neck and onto the décolleté as well. A lot of people tend to find that they get a lot of pigmentation on the décolleté because obviously being outside wearing t-shirts and it's such a thin like skin area, fine area, delicate area, it will cause pigmentation a lot quicker. It can age a lot quicker as well, so you can bring this down onto the décolleté. Using it morning and night, it will help to work on your pigmentation constantly throughout the day and constantly throughout the evening as well, and over time you will start seeing the lightening effect on those dark spots for you. We've then got the intense brightening cream. So you can use this on top of your serum morning and night. You can just use it in the evening. It is quite a rich texture, so if you find that it is too heavy for during the day, then you could use another cream, so maybe like the Vital C cream. It's very good at sort of vitamin C, good at helping to break down pigmentation, or you could use this morning and night. Again, it helps to give hydration as well, so it's not just about breaking down that pigmentation, it will give you the hydration that you need throughout the day and evening. And then the last product, you've actually got the Iluma Eye Lift Cream. So this is really good for anyone that has dark circles, puffiness, or any pigmentation around their eyes as well. Again, apply it to the eye contour. With an eye cream, less is more, so you're sort of aiming for the size of a grain of rice, so very minimal amount. If you put too much on, it can cause puffiness and irritate your eyes, so less is more with this range. So if you are concerned with pigmentation, definitely use the Iluma range, because you will see a difference. I have had some clients that haven't come in for treatments and they've just used the products at home, and they have seen a difference in their pigmentation. Otherwise, look for somewhere that you can have a chemical peel, or you can pop into our Novamooi spa in Linfield, and this, we can give you a full consultation of a treatment plan, as well as obviously a home care plan as well. Or otherwise, if you can't get to us, then fill in our online consultation form on the Novamooi website, and I will then be able to look at your answers, and then I can give you a bespoke skincare routine for you to then use at home.